Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's again Only Best, and you're welcome to Only Best Beauty Patente B. Hope you guys are doing fine. In today's video, we'll be seeing area di parcheggio destinata al persone invalide. Now, this particular signal, now again we'll be saying people with the invalid, that is disabled people. Okay, now this place them go fit back. Now, se la striscia di delimitazione gialle, it is yellow in color, ok? In figura, individuano un'area di parcheggio riservata alle persone invalide. Now, this one, they tell you a parking area, a parking slot, where they reserved for people with the disabled. Le strisce gialle diagonali devono essere lasciate libere per consentire entrata e lucida dei veicoli della persone invalide. Now, this yellow place, you must leave it free, leave and free, so that it will consent the entry. It will also consent the exit of vehicles will carry disabled persons. Okay, this is their parking slot. You cannot park here. When you see them, leave them for those who say, then they invalid, they are disabled. We will see in this particular one as well in this video. Rallentatore, OTTICO di velocità. Before we come here, please, I beg you, if you have not hit the like button, please hit the like button. Okay, so you don't forget to do that. Now, if you've not subscribed and you follow me up to this point, please do it to subscribe. Turn the bell on so that as soon as I post a video, you'll be notified. It is very important. Okay. Lastly, most importantly, I beg, share my video. Okay, share it to your family and friends. Like, hit the share. It doesn't take time. Just hit the share it, and you're good to go. Thank you for always supporting this channel. All right, now let's get back into why we're here. This is Rallentatore, OTTICO di velocità. So we are covering two particular lessons in this video. We don't see that of parcheggio for people with the invalid. Now this time around, we see the speed retarder telling you slow down. Basically, waiting inside they tell you, as you approach me, slow down. From there, if you're going to increase the go. Now, it says è costituito da bande trasversali progressive di colore bianco. Now, it consists of progressive transverse bands, okay, of white color. Spessore crescente nel senso di marcia. And it decreases the thickness in your travel direction, okay? It is increasing in thickness. Indica che occorre moderare la velocità. Now, this particular signal just tell you, most times you sit on the floor, it tells you, moderate your speed. As you take a seance, they go like that. Okay, moderate your speed. It's there to help you moderate your speed. It is a speed retarder. So you moderate, and as they increase in thickness, you can start increasing like that, and so on. Okay, now this is the tool we're covering today. And I hope you understand this particular tool. Listen. Okay, from the next video, we are hitting chapter 7. Yes, we are going to chapter 7, and we'll see how we can quickly get through chapter 7 and keep going. We are moving train, don't worry. Okay, do not hurry. Just go with it. Go with the flow gradually. But I promise you from chapter 7, it will be a moving train will be underestimated, because this one, it's going to move more than a moving train. Let me see how we can get through with all these chapters. And yeah, because we are soon going to start quizzes. We're going to host 2 weeks quiz this August, next month. 2 weeks continuous quizzes, August, next month. Okay, thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.